Hello friends, welcome to Banerjee Art Gallery and Academy, and today I will going to draw how to draw a Raksha Bandhan picture, and I hope that you can learn drawing very easily by watching this whole video. And please subscribe now for more drawing tutorial and press the bell icon to get notifications and daily drawing tutorial videos. So let's get started now.
The crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey, do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, yeah, do-do-do-do-do. Hey, hey, do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, yeah, do-do-do-do-do. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey, do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, yeah, do-do-do-do-do. Hey, hey, do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, yeah, do-do-do-do-do. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me.